I'll guide you through how to use a VPN to watch Netflix and change regions without dealing with slow speeds, constant buffering, or confusing error messages. If you're looking to access that geo-restricted movie or show that isn't available in your country, or you want to tap into the massive US or Japanese Netflix libraries, and so you need to change your Netflix region reliably using a VPN, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. The first and most critical step is choosing the right VPN. Not all of them work with Netflix, and free services often sell your data or are too slow for streaming. We must use a reliable, paid service known for bypassing geo-blocks. We have tested many, and we recommend NordVPN. The connection is fast and secure. NordVPN ensures you get the speed and security necessary for uninterrupted streaming. Sign up and download the NordVPN app onto your device using the link in the description. You can use it on a desktop, phone, or tablet. Before connecting, you need to know where to go. To avoid guessing, use a third-party site like unogs.com to search for the specific title you want. The website will instantly show you which country's Netflix library has the rights to the movies or shows. This step guarantees you connect to the correct server right away, saving you time. Now, open your VPN application and select the server in the country you just identified. For example, if unogs.com told you that the movie Who Killed Bambi is in Spain, then connect to a server there. Once the VPN confirms the connection, your virtual location is changed. Next, open the Netflix app or website. If Netflix is already open, you must force it to check your new IP address. On your mobile or smart TV, fully close and restart the Netflix app. On a browser, perform a hard refresh using Ctrl+Shift+R for Windows or Command+Shift+R for Mac. This loads the new library data. Now to confirm your VPN is actually working and you haven't fallen into the original content trap where you only see globally available Netflix titles, go to the New and Popular tab. If successful, you will see a list titled Top 10 Shows in Spain Today. This is the definitive proof that you are now streaming from your chosen region. For more advanced VPN server management, check out the app in the description below. Now that you've learned how to use a VPN to watch Netflix and change regions, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more streaming video tutorials. Thanks for watching.